We got pumpkin pecan pancakes, you guys. Don't that look delicious? Oh, let's see what these joints taste like, y'all. Pumpkin pecan protein pancakes. Ooh. This is good, y'all. I have where? I have where? What? Waffle House where? Pancake House where? This is Jacinta's kitchen.
Live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life.
So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pumpkin protein pecan pancakes. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. In a medium bowl, add your pancake mix. Now you're going to add some water. If you want thick pancakes, add less water. But if you want thin pancakes, add more water. And now we're going to mix this up, making sure all the lumps are out of the batter. Now you're going to add in your pumpkin filling. Pumpkin spice. Cinnamon. A drop of vanilla. Add in your pecans. And now we're going to give this a good mix. Now in a medium saucepan, we're going to spray it with some butter cooking spray. Add some butter. We're going to heat the butter up on medium-high heat until the butter is melted. Now we're going to give this a little swivel to make sure that the butter is covered all over the pan. Now it's time to add in the pancake mix. And by this being only one serving, I'm only adding half of the batter in for now. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on one side. Once you see the bubbles in the pancake, then it's time to flip it over. And while we're waiting on our pancakes, we're going to go ahead and start on our sides. We got some sausages. Use some cooking spray to cover the bottom of the pan on medium heat. And again, by this being only for one serving, I'm only using 2 plant-based patties. And we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes on each side. And while the sausages are cooking, we're going to go back over here and check on the pancakes. These are the bubbles that I was telling you guys about. Now it's time to flip it over, and we're going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes. And now that this is ready, we're going to plate it, and we're going to repeat this process for the second pancake. And while we're waiting on our second pancake to finish cooking, we're gonna go ahead and check on our sausages. We're gonna give this one final flip. By these being plant-based, it doesn't take that long for these to cook. So we're gonna flip these over and then they're ready to be served. Now that the second pancake is ready, we're gonna go ahead and remove that and plate it. Now it's time to cook our just eggs. We're gonna use some butter cooking spray. And we're gonna add a little butter. And we're gonna heat the pan up on medium heat. Because with these just eggs, you guys, it will burn and stick. So you have to be very careful with these. You have to cook these on, once the pan heats up, then you wanna turn it down a little lower because these just eggs will burn. We're gonna give this a little swivel to make sure that the butter is completely covered at the bottom of the pan. Now we're gonna pour in our just eggs. We're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes on each side, making sure that you're monitoring the eggs because again, like I said, it will stick. Now it's time to flip the eggs over. We're gonna cook these for an additional 3 minutes. And we're gonna remove them from the heat. Now it's time to make some hot syrup for the pancakes. Add in your pecans. Add in some syrup. A little butter. And we're gonna microwave this for about 30 seconds. Now that the syrup is ready, we're gonna give this a little stir, drizzle it over your pancakes, and enjoy, you guys.